I'm going to show you a little brief tutorial here on how I use this little wooden swag block to form the curve in our hammered hearts earrings. So first of all, I choose the largest indention. Make sure that it is resting in there both horizontal and vertically straight. I take the largest round dapping tool for the swag block. I rest it on the piece, and then I take my brass mallet and hit. Now it may crease it if it is not annealed. This one has been annealed. Take it out, give it a good look. If you feel like you need more curvature, you can move your tool around as you're hitting. Now you have a nice, beautiful, soft curve, and once this is finished, it will look really pretty hanging from an ear. These wooden swag blocks are very inexpensive, and they come with tools that match each indention. Sometimes on something like this, you don't need anything but the wood. You don't have to have steel. So check it out. All the good suppliers have them. Thanks.